So the other thing nice people can do is to consider the place in the overall journey. And when I say the journey, I don't restrict your journey to this life, this human form. What I mean by the place in the journey is the place in the journey of the overall soul. This human body is a temporary form. If you are religious, if you don't believe in more than one birth, you still would agree that there was something before we were born and there is going to be something after we are born. And that's the whole premise of any of the religion that we have on this planet. So that is to show that the current form that we consider is not the true form, not the permanent form. This is the temporary form. And if you look at the overall journey of that soul, please know that in that journey, one of the important aspects is how nice you were to other people. I know that many of our actions may not make everyone happy, even if you do right actions, and we look for validation to other people or from other people. But for universal law, the overall journey is considered for universal law. The action that you have done with the intention, that is what is considered, and everyone is rewarded based on those actions. If you look at the planet Earth, that we think is the planet which has the life, whereas our Earth is not even 0.001% of the overall size of the universe. And if someone has created this universe, that seems to be very inefficient by not utilizing the space. Even if we only talk about this this earth, this earth itself is more than 14 billion years old, as proven by science also. And if you go back to the human history, or when even science or religion say the humans started to exist, you would only go back as far as few thousand years ago, maybe say 10 to 15,000 or 20,000 years ago, as per the ancient civilization that are either still existing or have gone out of existence. So, if you consider the lifespan of this earth, that is more than 14 billion years ago. But when we talk about the human life, we only talk about few thousand years. It's really difficult to understand that few thousand years ago there was no human. Is that the understanding that there was no human before us and there will not be any human after this? Is that the only planet in the entire galaxy or universe? Now that science has proven that there are many stars like sun, there are many planets like earth where there could be life. So how do we consider this form, this human form, as our permanent form when we also know there is going to be something after we die? So I would like you to consider and remember, even if you do not get right responses from people, even though your actions or right actions result into someone not being happy or not treating you properly, it does not mean your actions are wrong. Anybody's actions are looked at from the intention of that person. If your intention is correct, your actions seem to be justified. If you look at any action for that matter from any person, based on the society, based on the norms that we have created, the same thing can be termed good or bad. Some of the society would consider something to be nice, and some of the other society consider that this very same thing to be not nice. So what is the definition of nice and what is the definition of right or wrong? So when I say consider the place in the overall journey, I would like you to remember that the human body is not the permanent body. There was something before this, there will be something after this. What we know is very limited. What we have discovered through science is very limited. We do not have many answers. But when you turn spiritual, when you talk to people who are highly spiritual, who have access to far more greater information than normal people, you would know that this cycle of birth and death is there from quite long, and it is going to be there. Whether we stay on this planet or we stay on some other planet, we stay in this birth or some other birth, there was something before this and there is going to be something after this. And when we are talking about the overall journey, not just the journey of this human body, from the perspective of universal laws, the niceness is rewarded based on your intentions. If you have good intentions, your actions are termed right. If your intention is bad, but even if you do good thing, it is not considered good. And the authority to make that decision is with as per the universal laws. And as per those universal laws, I can assure you that if you do things with right intentions and if you're nice, you will not struggle. So just remember that. Don't go by the validation of people around you. Don't go by the reaction and responses that you get from people around you. That may be based on their own perspective, but that mostly is not from the universal perspective or universal laws. And when you are going to get something, when you talk about karma, when you talk about destiny, when you talk about fate, or when you talk about getting things or divinity, that is governed by some other law, the universal law that I'm talking about. And as per that law, niceness is always rewarded. And when it comes a time for you to get rewarded, you will be rewarded based on your niceness. So other thing that nice people can do is remember that the current form is not permanent. It is transient and temporary. And as per the overall journey of the soul or the life that we have, you will be rewarded for your niceness.